Don't bite my tongue, people who've been coming out. We're talking about dozens.
Alright, now rewind it. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm not showing it right now. Woo. Yeah. There's his butt. Alright, go forward.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Alright, go.
Alright, so no, start here. So he's cold. Gets behind the guy sets to the right.
How these guys got arrested?
Nah, they didn't get arrested.
He could have. Nobody knows that. Not us.
Yeah, we're bored. So he strips on down, and there's his butt. There's the... Still talking? Here, if I can do it that way. And there's his wiener. Awesome.
Awesome. I really don't want to